차렷. 준비. 주춤서기 준비. Here, single punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double punch. Take 1, take 1, take 1. Triple punch. Low, middle, high. Low, middle, high. So we do Taekwondo, Taekwondo, Taekwondo. Get back, 바로. Shield is rest. Down block, one is down block, right? Down block, punch. Get back. Right hand, down block, punch. Get back. Middle block. You move outside, inside, right? 1, 2. Back, outside, inside. 1, 2, back. Just move left, right, right. So, down block, punch, down block, punch, middle block, punch, middle block, punch, up block, punch. Up block punch, side block punch, side block punch.
Maybe right before eating, I'll have my put the rice? No. And then hot water.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hey there! I'm one of the video editors who has their eyes glued to this screen for 8 hours straight. 8 hours straight. Why, you may ask? To create this video you're watching this very second. So with all that being said, maybe you could do us a favor and subscribe to the channel and maybe even leave a like. You know whatever floats your boat. Enough ranting from me. I'm gonna let you get back to the video.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
And leave it. Till we finish this. It's gonna be dessert. Have anything worry? I cannot sleep. I need sleep. I need to sleep. I need to good sleep.
What is that again?
It's we call 뼈다귀탕. 뼈다귀탕.
Okay.
It's neck bone, back part. This is bone soup. Good?
Yep.